Hey there bakers, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making classic vanilla cupcakes that are moist, delicious and perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. In a bowl take 2 room temperature eggs with some sugar, melted butter. Mix it nicely till it gets combined. Into that sift in all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda and some salt. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Into that add some milk and some yogurt. Mix it really well. Now our cupcake batter is ready. Now divide the batter evenly among the cupcake liners. Now bake this at 180-degree preheated oven for around 20 minutes. Our cupcakes I have baked to its perfection. Allow cupcakes to cool down completely, frosted with your favorite vanilla buttercream. Here I am using coffee buttercream frosting. Spread it nicely on top of the cupcakes and add some chocolate curls. That's it. Delicious vanilla cupcakes, perfect for any occasion. Thanks for baking with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos. Look at that, how soft and spongy our vanilla cupcakes are. Thank you and happy baking!